man, I like purchased a lot of crap. Hey y'all, my name is Ashley and today I'm excited to share with you my Sephora VIB and Rouge sale purchases. So if that sounds interesting to you, grab a coffee, grab a cookie, I don't know, grab a cocktail, and let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so I ended up making 2 orders from Sephora during their VIB Rouge sale. Probably including Sarah's purchases, it was over about $600. And I say that really quietly because I don't think my husband knows. But it's okay. So, let's go ahead and start off with the skincare that I picked up. Now, I believe all the skincare that I did pick up are repurchases for me. During the sale, I like to pick up things that I genuinely love and genuinely use all the time. So just because I know I'm going to use it, it's something that works for my skin. So why not get it when I can get it 15-20% off? The first one I picked up would be the Tatcha water cream. Now this is the original one. I actually like the dewy one as well, but I just repurchased the dewy one in December. It's getting to summertime, so I'll be using this one more than the dewy one because it's just so humid here in Texas. But I was completely out of this one. Picked this up. I love it. This is probably my 3rd or 4th one of these alone. I also ordered the Origins Hello Calm Relaxing and Hydrating Face Mask with Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. This is also another repurchase. I really enjoy this mask. I have pretty acne prone skin and cystic acne and just problems all the time with my skin no matter what I do. And I find that this mask kind of soothes like some of the irritation that my skin does get, and just have had positive results with it, so it's always just been a repurchase for me. Well, I'm gonna grab some toners. I actually picked up 3 toners. 2 of them are the same. Picked up 2 of the OleHenriksen Transform Glow 2H Dark Spot Toner. I have been using this for a couple years now. I just ran out the other day, so I picked one up to open right away and then one to put in a drawer for when this one's empty, because this is a product that I use every single night. This is my nighttime toner and part of my nighttime skincare routine, and it just works for me with all of the problems that my skin has. The other toner that I ordered is another repurchase, and it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I use this one in my morning skincare routine and works really well for me. So not something that I really want to change up. I just want to kind of use the same stuff that I know that works for my skin. Alright, this is the last skincare item. This is really a little bit more of like hair care as well. But I ordered the Slip Pure Silk Glam Band. It's just a Velcro band. I got the black one because my hair is purple, and when I sweat it does kind of, you know, leak color, I guess. But I am trying to find a way to stop wearing my hair up when I sleep. I don't like my hair in my face when I'm sleeping or when I'm cleaning house or where I'm doing a lot of stuff. And I'm starting to get like really bad ponytail headaches. I'm getting breakage in my hair. So most people would pick this up to put around their face when they do makeup or their skincare routine. I got it to sleep in, so that way my hair is out of my face, and I use their face masks, like those sleep ones. I also use their face masks, like face coverings, and I really like the Slip brand for the silk fabric because it is good for your skin. I've had less breakouts because of it, and my wife Sarah, she sleeps on one of the Slip silk pillowcases, and she absolutely loves it. So grab this. This is something new for me to try to see if I do love. Oh, one more skincare thing. I picked up a GloPRO face MicroTip attachment head because I do have the GloPRO device, and you are supposed to interchange your heads out just depending on how often you use them, like 3 to 6 months. I use mine like once a week, so I kind of just replace it how I see fit and how well I keep it clean. So I went ahead and picked one up because it is time for me to change the head on mine. So now some necessities. I absolutely love the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set and Prep Spray. And I'm currently about like a quarter, I got a quarter left of the bottle. So I went ahead and ordered another one because I know as soon as it's empty, I'm gonna reach for it and I'm gonna want another one in my backup drawer. along with things to put in my backup drawer. I went ahead and ordered a Precisely My Brow by Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 6 Cool Black, because no one's made purple eyebrow pencils yet, and I am still sitting here waiting for the day when someone starts making colored eyebrow pencils. Please. I also ordered 3 different foundations. 2 foundations, 1 body foundation. I went ahead and ordered the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Stick Foundation. I'm a huge fan of the liquid one, the like faux filter like in the pump. I really wanted to try this when it came out, and it just kind of sat in my Sephora cart, never made the order until now. And I really enjoy the Juvia's Place foundation sticks, so I have high hopes for this because I do love the idea of a foundation stick, but then I also love the formula of the Huda Beauty Faux Filter ones. I also picked up in the shade 330N Butter Pecan, however you want to say it. I jumped on the trend of picking up the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop foundation. As soon as I opened it, because I went in and swatched to make sure it was the correct color. This one is in the shade 8, and this is also in the shade of 3 shades too light. So I do have it. I'm going to keep it because I went to Sephora 2 days ago to go exchange it for the darker shade, and unfortunately the ones in the Houston area are all out of stock of the Fenty Ease Drop, and I go online and they don't have the shade that I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this, maybe mix it with my Dior Backstage because it is a very liquid foundation, and maybe it will darken up a bit. High hopes maybe. But I'll go ahead and try to use this and order shade 11 when it does come in stock. Finally, for the foundations, I picked up the Fenty Body Sauce, the Body Luminizing Tint in the shade Salty Caramel. Really excited to try this out, especially since I am going on a beach vacation the 2nd week of May. So this will definitely get some use when I'm out on the beach. Speaking of things to use while I'm on vacation, I also went ahead and ordered the Huda Beauty Not Your Mother's Pantyhose in the shade Luna. This was already in their sale section, so I went ahead and added it to the cart and got even more money off of it. When these first came out, I was really interested into it, but I already had the Fenty Body Lavas, and then I have like the ColourPop one, and I can't just keep buying like shimmery body oils and stuff, but I kind of couldn't help myself, so I picked it up. I also grabbed the Body Blur and Glow Body Brush that is by Huda Beauty to go with this, just because it will work well to put this on, and I'm hoping it will work well to put the Fenty body tint on as well. I grabbed 2 KVD products. No, I did not buy the Good Apple foundation. I've seen so many shitty reviews on that foundation that I am not wasting a penny on that foundation. But I grabbed the tattoo liner in the shade Trooper and the cake pencil in the shade Trooper. So these are my favorite eyeliners for black. I obviously use the cake one for my waterline, and for my wings I love this one. There is not an eyeliner on the market that could ever beat this. So these are obviously repurchases. These last 2 products were my fun products. Like, as you can see, everything else I picked up was things that I've already used, minus like the foundation and the body products. But I could not help myself, and I grabbed the Confession Slim Lipstick from Hourglass in the shade I Can't Wait. I have a red one, a nude one, and a dark purple one, and I thought this time I would go with a nice bright pink for the summer. I do love these lipsticks. I know it's a bit of a splurge because the price on them is pretty expensive, but it's nice to just every now and then buy yourself something a little bougie. So it's a beautiful hot pink. Just super excited to wear that for the summer. And these are also refillable. I have never gotten through one to get a refill, but they're refillable. And the next splurge item is a Patrick Ta blush. So I've seen great reviews on these, and I just haven't gotten around to buy one, but I've always wanted to try a Patrick Ta product. So finally I went ahead and picked up the blush in the shade Do We Know Her. So and that is what it looks like. It's just a beautiful bright coral, perfect for summertime. And of course, like the top one is cream and the bottom one is powder. So super excited to try that, especially since I am on the kick of constantly using my Jaclyn Hill one. I do love it. In fact, I have it on today. It is the Jaclyn Hill Blush Bronzer Duo in Hot Lava. I obviously have a favorite kind of blush right now. It is the bright peachy corally colors. So, but that was my purchases from the Sephora VIB and Rouge sale. If you went shopping during the sale, tell me what you picked up. I'd love to see or try new products that I haven't used yet. Or what are your go-tos? Like, I want to see y'all's favorite go-tos. But if you enjoy these haul videos, go ahead and like this video, subscribe. I'm here for you randomly. That's what I'm gonna give you, is I'm just pop up. I'm just one of those motherfuckers, just pop the fuck up. But until next time, bye y'all. Let's see, I feel like I'm missing something.